Hi, my name is Lucky Charms, and today we're going to be doing this Goth GF makeup look, and I love it a lot. It has this little Ariana Grande ponytail, and this little choker moment. It's kind of like e-girly. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hi, so I just messily did my eyebrows off camera, and then we're going to go in and use this. Carve out where we want it, and I want it to be very arched. Like I might just get rid of that end. I'm thinking. We'll see. Okay, so this looks like I've almost painted a little mustache. We're gonna blend out the fronts when we use our little beauty blender. Oh, yeah, no, I don't do that. And then I go in with my beauty blender, I kind of blend out the fronts and right here. Because I don't really like my eyebrows to start that. Okay. Yeah. Going to put our whites down really quick. And I know last time I said a little bit of white, but it's like a lot of white. And like I want it to be like very white right here. Go in with our foundation and we kind of stamp that around. We're gonna go in with more sandy colors because we need this in the face. Oh, and I should do some on my neck because I get that weird little. And I got new highlighters, and if you know me for any length of time, you know that I am all about that blend, all about the powder, and all about the highlighter. And the one I want to try is Wet n Wild because I know they're fucking. I want to try the Wet n Wild one because I know they slap. And they were like sold out for a little while, and I also didn't leave my house because of COVID, because I don't usually, so. I'm so pleased. Oh my gosh. I've never been prettier. And we want to get a thick layer of powder right here. Why don't we just go? I mean, my skin is like super dry, so I don't really want to do this. But we are doing a bunch of black on the eye. I don't want any fallout, so I want to have something to brush away. Don't breathe. Okay. These eyes are These eyebrows are very arched, so again, we'd make the rest of the face really. Let's move this hair. Also, I low-key got a bunch of highlighter and powder in my hair, but it's fine. I mean, no amount of contour really will make it look like I have cheekbones anymore. Maybe some blush, like I just have really like circular cheeks, so I've kind of given up on trying to make contour shape my face at all. So I kind of mainly go in with blush and highlighter and nose contour and oh, something happened with the texture of my nose. No! Oh, that is rotted. There's something happening that I cannot explain. Okay. So I'm going in with like purple blush. Because I want it to be very... Okay. I'm actually just going to use a little thing for looking in my mirror every 2 seconds. Like... Oh, that is blending so nice. Oh, I'm just using some purple colors from my NYX Ultimate palette, so I can go in kind of get the purple I want. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, and then it just kind of blends it almost immediately. I would just do that lightly over this little white thing because we're not doing her today. I don't usually do it, but sometimes I'll do it. But not today. I just want it to be very... Yeah, let's just blend out this. We're going to start patting and blending. For right now, just patting. And we're going to blend. So I'm just going to keep packing the black right about here, where we create our little circle. Beautiful. I'm already like loving this because I love black eyeshadow. Oh, this looks so yummy. I'm gonna go in with my white, and just when I did the red, we don't want to blend it out too much. Because if we blend it out too much, then it's gonna look gray, and we kind of wanna. We're gonna put some colors on it to make it colorful because, I love black eyeshadow and I love doing like just gray looks, but I want like tiny bit of color. And I think again I'm gonna do my little circle lids for this video. And then I left a lot of space on the ends because I want to do like some color in that area. So I left myself the room to be able. We're going with this really purple on the ends and just kind of whack, 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 whack. I feel like I like that. Like really blend it out. Like, okay. I'm gonna put like this really sandy shade on top of it. See if I like that. Oh yeah. Bam, 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 bam. Different colored. This is more like a peachy color, like my skin. So, and the reason we went in with white was because we need to have the base so it didn't go away. I usually get the pens because I prefer it over like super liquid eyeliner. Like the ones that you'll get in like a pot. I just feel like the felt tips are like easier to control and I wanna like do that. So I'm going to grab my really big 3 eyelashes together, stacked eyelashes, and they're like disgusting. I know. Don't at me. Going to slob these bad boys on and oh, oh. My eyes are getting mad at me. Okay, I did something. Yes, Kim Possible mustache. Okay, so I'm going to get into the outfit, hair, and pretty much anything else, like jewelry, earrings, and then I'll be back to show the look. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And like and subscribe and let me know what kind of makeup you want me to do next time.